Hey guys, it's Jason over at Kaiser Willys Auto Supply, and today we're going to be discussing a commonly asked question that we have. These are our shackle brackets that are located on the frame. We ask this question, we say, are you greasable or are you non-greasable? And I'm going to explain why that's important to know. Whatever you have on the vehicle, you're going to want to stick with what you have, and here's why. On this shackle, this is the greasable shackle. You can see the threads. What that's used for is for the greasable C-shaped shackle bushing. It threads in, and on the non-greasable shackle, you don't have those threads. So when we ask that question, are you greasable or non-greasable, you have to stick with what the shackle bracket is that you have on the vehicle. So I hope this kind of helps you see the difference between the non-greasable and the greasable, and that's how to ID what you have. Thanks for watching.